Right, hi, it's day 2 back at this rental renovation. Yesterday we repaired this part of the floor. There's 4 sections we're going to do. We've really taken the bounce out. It's worked, and we're going to show you what we've done to rectify it. We were going to cut the joists, but when we got into the job we realised there was no need to do that, so I'll show you what we've done. I've marked this V on the floor. This is where I'm going to cut out a section of flooring, and this V just helps us put them all back in the right place. You could number them if you wanted, letters, but this is just an easier way for me. So I'm going to cut a hole out. See you in a minute. I found a receipt from the 27th of the 10th, 1970 from the Payne Brothers. The prices have gone up. So what we decided to do on this floor, what we've done on these other 3 sections, is we've packed underneath this gap that we've got under the joist, between the joist and this dwarf wall. What we did is we put a string line across and we checked to see if there was any deviation in the floor, and there's only a couple of mil, so we don't need to pull the floor down. All we need to do is pack this down and hold it and make sure that it doesn't move, and make sure that the packing material doesn't come out from underneath after we've gone. So I'll just show you quickly how we put that string line across. What we've done is we've screwed these timbers down to the floor. We've fixed a screw at the back there. We're going to run this string over to this side. We're doing the same. On this side we've used a screw that's not fully threaded, so we can wrap our string line around it. Right, so now the string is that equal height at both ends of the room. And now what we can do is we can check for any deviation in the floor just by using an offcut the same thickness for those materials. And there you can see there's only a couple of mil out. Checked it at a few spots. There you go, it goes the other way there. We've pulled the floor down, but I think it's definitely within tolerance. And there again, it's also bang on. So what we did, we used some of this builder's band. We drilled a hole in this oversight concrete, plugged it and screwed it, held that down in place, and then we pulled it tight so that it effectively pulled the timber down onto the packers. We've got some packers ready to go under there. I'm going to put a bit of slate we've used there. As you can see, there's a bit of movement under there. When we fix this, there shouldn't be any, and this joist should be pulled down. Now, just tight and at the right level. Let's drill a hole in. So we've got a fixed in both ends. It's not pulling down too much, but if we put one at an angle through this hole, it'll pull that band down and pull it tight. if that's not done it, we take that screw out and we put it in the next hole along with this band and refix that. Right, so I've got them tightened up, that band's nice and tight, and those packing pieces are wedged under there, nice and solid. There's no more bounce in them. We'll put some on this one and some on this one. What I'm going to do is going to get some of this 3x2 CLS and I'm going to put it down the edge of this joist just to give the floorboards that I put down a bit more strength where we've cut them off. I've notched them in the back there, just run down with the circular saw, just notch them out, and just so it goes over that band. I've pre-drilled some holes in the CLS. I'm just going to fix them in there. Middle one's fine, and I'll do the same over here. There he is. Boom. That's it, job done. Well, it must be done because all my tools are lined up nice and neat, so that means I've finished. We're going to give it a good sweep, and that's it. Take these blocks out. We'll check it again with a string line, but now there's no more bounce. The door was bouncing before, the fireplace was all over. The squeaks have gone. There was a few squeaky floorboards. All gone, all fixed. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one because you have to come back and watch another one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you later.